Welcome back to Pony Sparkle Toys, and today we are reviewing 3 of my birthday presents. And after these 3, I've got one more present left, which is the Lagoon set. We've got this blind bag set from the My Little Pony movie, Magic of Every Pony Roundup pack. It's got the main 6, the 3 princesses, and Tempest Shadow, which makes 10 ponies, because 6 is 4 is 10. We have got a My Little Pony fashems, squishy fashion fun bonus pack. Clean your fashems with just water bonus pack. Series 6, and I love that they're all see-through. Now I already have a Rainbow Dash, a Spike, a Pinkie Pie, and a Trixie fashion, but they're not these ones. My Spike fashions glittery, my Rainbow Dash, Trixie, and Pinkie are not clear. So now I've got 2 different ones of these ones, but I have a Lyra and a Starlight Glimmer fashion, and these are my first Starlight Glimmer and Lyra fashions. And then I've got Celestia, one of My Little Pony movies, and both of these are from the My Little Pony movie. This isn't, but they're still cool. So this Celestia is Princess Celestia Glitter and Glow. Press for Kitty Mike. She lights up the day as she rolls over a question. Princess Celestia. Lights change colour. We are going to first start with the fashions. They're so bouncy. Close up will be at the end of the video, so don't worry. Whoa, look at Trixie. And I love that they're not dirty, because most of my fashions that I've had for like 2 or 3 years are a bit dirty. The paint's coming off and they don't look as good. So I know by Christmas or by Valentine's Day, these will be a bit dirty and the paint will be chipping off, because that always happens with fashions. But the paint job looks awesome. And there's water inside of them. So we've got Spike. I'm loving the way Starlight Glimmer looks. Starlight Glimmer. Sorry, my sister's in the kitchen, so if you can hear some clattering and banging, it's my sister. She's making pasta. Pinkie Pie. Trixie Lula Moon. Ooh, this is my first Lyra fashion. Lyra Heartstrings. And Rainbow Dash that only has red in her mane and blue in her tail. And I absolutely love them all because their bodies look really crystally. Blind bag time! And just to clarify, we'll be opening the Celestia last. We're doing the blind bags now. So in this blind bag set, we have Tempest Shadow, who is a broken horn. But here you can tell the horn is broken because it looks like the horn is sliced. But the horn doesn't have like the jagged bits to show that it's broken. It doesn't look like it's broken. It looks like it was sliced. Which isn't movie accurate because she's not in the show, she's in the movie. Princess Luna, and I love that Princess Luna, Celestia and Cadence are all pearly, so Luna. Princess Celestia, and I love her eye shape. Just notice Luna, Cadence and Celestia all have the same pose. They've just got a different cutie mark and eye shape. Just notice that. Even their manes are the same style and everything. And their tiaras are the same style and everything. The only difference is their eyes, cutie mark and colour. I've just noticed that. So, Celestia. Princess Cadence. And now we've got the main six, and you guys must know who the main six are. But if you don't watch my channel all the time, or if you're not into My Little Pony and you don't watch the show, here's the main six. So Applejack, Rabbity, Pinkie Pie. Fluttershy's got quite big eyes. So Fluttershy. Rainbow Dash. Twilight Sparkle. Out of the whole set, my favourites are going to be the princesses because I love their pearly effect. I don't like that they're all doing the same mould. It would be nice if each princess had a different mould. Like if you look at Twilight Sparkle, her wing shape and mould is completely different to the other three. And my least favourite is going to be Tempest because her horn doesn't look broken, it looks like it was sliced. And that's not movie accurate. If the horn looked like it was broken, then I would probably say she's my favourite. She's a cool character because she's not in the show, she's in the movie. But all the others are in the show and the movie. So my favourites are the princesses and my least favourite is Tempest. The paint job isn't the greatest. Oh well. Celestia time! All these characters are in the way. I'm going to move them off to this side so they can get ready for the close-up at the end of the video. Oh, and if you're wondering, the packaging was just in the side, so if you're wondering what that little bit here was, it was the packaging for the blind bag set. I love her curled mane. The curls are so tight. This is awesome! And she's in her rebooted form. That's why her head's so skinny. Her horn is extra long. I'm not the biggest fan of the rebooted shape on the princesses. Now, I don't have the rebooted Celestia, Luna and Cadance in small brushable form. In a big fashion style playset form like this, I have the Celestia. But the brushable rebooted Princess Luna, Cadance, Celestia, I don't have them. But now here's my first rebooted princess as in Celestia, Luna, Cadance. I'm not counting Twilight because she used to be a unicorn, but she is a princess now. Her head. Not the biggest fan. I like how longer her horn is because it shows that she's even more special than Twilight. She has like a extra long horn. And if you notice, with the rebooted My Little Ponies, their horns are extra long. And I love that. And her wings are on ball joints. And I find it weird that literally well not every, but a lot of the alicorn and Pegasus ponies, their wings are on the ball joints. Like they're all about My Little Ponies and the Celestia. And her ball joints are so stiff that it's hard to take the wings out. But with the All About ponies that are Pegasus or alicorns, their wings aren't so stiff. They're easily poppable. But her wings are, you can take her wings out, but they're really stiff, which I think is awesome. So yeah, I'm trying to take her, see, you can take her wings off. But you can make her unicorn. It'd be awesome if you could make her unicorn. And this is so annoying. I hate that Princess Celestia, there are so many brushable Celestias where her wings are bright pink. Her wings are not bright pink. Her wings are white like her body, but then there's a shaded bit of pink at the top of the feathers. It's super annoying. I absolutely hate that her wings are bright. I mean, I love the bright pink and the glitter. I love glitter on My Little Ponies, but I hate I absolutely hate that the wings are bright pink. They should have made them clear like her body, but with a little bit of a pink shading. And I love that you can see her cutie mark embroidered into her hooves and legs, and she's also got her shoes, which are gold. So I would give this Celestia a 5 out of 10. I love that she's rebooted. I love the glitter. I love that she lights up. I love the colour of her wings, and I love the glitter. I don't like that her wings are not so accurate. I don't like her super chubby head. I don't like that her wings are able to come out. I don't like that her wings are not so accurate. And the fifth thing I would say... I don't know. Maybe 9 out of 10. Found her tiara. And she has a necklace. And we can't forget about the comb. It's a comb with star pattern and swirly whirl. Sorry, I sounded a bit silly there. Now we're going to see a close-up of all the fashems and blind bags and what have ya.